Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, guys. Whatever time y'all are tuning in, I certainly appreciate y'all are here. Today's video, guys, look at him. That's Mr. Boone. He's 14 years old. He's an old man. But today, guys, we're going to be cleaning up this case that's just got two blades. It's got a broken tip there. We're going to be putting a new tip on it. We're going to be sanding this thing down and making this bone shine up. And if it turns out real good, if I'm happy with it, I might, now I'm not saying I am, I might put this in the auction. But that bone is going to be beautiful, guys. It's pocket worn now. This was a user. So, but see, that blade's been worn down some too. We're going to clean it up and give it a new edge. But it's going to have snap. But we're going to clean this one up, guys. But look at that bone there. It's going to be beautiful. Beautiful. Well, guys, I'm also going to be cleaning up that blade from that German-made fixed blade I took apart yesterday. Here it is right here. I'm going to be cleaning that blade up over there too. I'm going to be including this knife into some other videos until I get it done. It's just, I just don't want to spend a whole bunch of time on that one all at once. So we're going to be doing bits and pieces of that. And tomorrow's video, I'll probably be sanding down the bone on that fixed blade knife. It's for the people up in Pine Mountain that gave me the 48-star flag for my uncle right here. They got killed in the Sherman tank in World War II. Remember, freedom isn't free, guys. Freedom isn't free. And he got killed. He was 23 years old. He was born on April 15th, 1921. He got killed in September of 1944. 23. Anyway, we're going to go over there, guys, at my other shop and start on this knife. But I just want to thank each and every one of y'all for tuning in today. And I hope you enjoy the video. Okay, guys, we're going to be cleaning this blade up on the fiber wheel here. We're going to get all that rust off. It's going to look good now. You remember I straightened out that point. We probably still going to have to do a little bit of grinding on it, but it's going to look good. And Mr. Dan Edwards sent me a Kutmaster Barlow in yesterday. And through the camera, the point looked good, but when I turned the camera off and looked at it, we do need to come down a little bit and come up a little bit and sharpen it. And once I get that tip done, this knife is going to be included in the auction April the 7th. 7 p.m. Eastern time. That's a Monday. But this is a knife we're going to be cleaning up, guys. Look at that bone right there. I'm telling you guys, this is going to be a beautiful, beautiful knife. And it's a 1980. It's a 10 dot, guys. See right across there? 1980. So, a lot to do in this the video, guys, but it's going to be a bunch of fun.
Rolling down the highway, got steel on my mind. Chasing down the past one knife at a time. Pawn shop signs and flea market dust. Looking for the blades that still earn my trust. Got my wife riding shotgun, she's the antique queen. Sharp eye, sharp heart, she knows what I mean. Hunting down legends of nickel and bone. Every old night's got a story of its own. Blades of brotherhood, stories and steel. Restoring the soul you can polish and feel. Rust to righteous, we give them new life. Saving the lives of old knives. Yeah, we're saving the lives of old knives.
Okay, guys, we are gonna open this up. When I go back over there to do the tip, I'm gonna clean down in here with the wire brush. But I want to clean out the inside first. There's a bunch of pocket lint. See here? Ain't that crazy? It's unreal what you find in in blade cavities, or blade chambers, I should say, in pocket knives. One other little thing, guys. You see how that pin is down in that bone? I'm gonna scratch that head of that pin up, because that might be where the sandpaper can't get down in there. Same thing with this one right here. This is gonna be a pretty knife. Pretty knife. I can already tell that bone's gonna pop now after I get that thing sanded. Okay guys, I'm fixing to start sanding this knife. I'm starting at 320 and I'm going all the way to 5,000. So you got the 400, then you got the 600. You go all the way down to 5,000 right here. Yeah. So it's going to take me about an hour to do this. I'm not going to film it, but that's what I'm going to be doing. Starting with 320. Hoorah. Okay guys, I just doused it with rim oil. It's got snap. It's raining outside. But that bone cleaned up really good, guys. I'm going to be shining it up when I get back over there, but I'm fixing to repair this tip right here. Just massaging that oil into that bone. It cleans it. It gets all that that sanding dust off too. And I wanted to give the blade some oil. It's got good snap. And we're going to repair this tip too. And the Kutmaster that Mr. Dan Edwards sent in from Atlanta. We're going to repair that tip.
I got steel in my veins and blades on my mind. Out in the wild looking for what time left behind. From a pawn shop shelf to a free market trade, I'm hungry all night that lost their way. Then I might shoot ignite my sweet child day. I'm the night doctor, baby. I bring them back alive, saving the lives of old nights, helping us survive. With my crew by my side and my queen riding clean, we're fixing up the past like it's never been seen. Said I wait a little ignite my sweet child day.
Okay guys, I'm about to heat it with some Neville dough. Then we're going to heat it with some flits. We're finna hit this with flits now. That flitz is really gonna make it shine. We're gonna hit this one with flitz too. See the bolster right now. Should be ready for the auction. Give a little bit of oil. This is one that Mr. Dan Edwards sent in. You see that tip? I sure missed it yesterday. He said it in the note he sent, but ain't nothing wrong with that one now either. Okay guys, we're gonna give a little bit of oil now. Nice. Shined it up pretty good. Put that oil on the handle right here to refresh it. Nice. Yes, there ain't nothing wrong with that knife now. Hoorah. Okay guys, here it is. This is called a Texas jack. The pattern number is 06247. You can barely, I thought it was a 17, but it's a 47. But that pin means it's a pin blade. Right there, see? And there's that new edge. I gave it a new edge, and that thing is sharp too. It's got good old carbon steel. Got good snap. But there's that blade right there now, guys. You see that edge down through there? Nice. But you see it's a 10 dot. I can barely count them, but there are 10 of them there. Beautiful bone, great snap. Look at that bone. Ain't that beautiful? It's pretty, ain't it? But here it is right here in the book. It's, where'd it go? Hang on. Here it is right here, guys. I had it on the wrong page. It says Texas Jack, 3 7/8. This is 05247. Let's see the Texas Jack. This is a 06247 pin, 10 dots, bone, and in 2008 it was worth $40 if it was mint. Very cool, 6247 pin. But it's called the Texas Jack. That 5 is a stag right there. That's why it's got a different number. See the 05247 tested stag. That thing was worth $700 mint 2008. Ain't that awesome? All right, there's you. A lot of people ask me about this book, guys. They're very expensive now. I didn't pay but $21 for it, like in 2011 at Barnes and Noble. I'm glad I did, because this book is like gold now, I'm telling you. But it's worth it. I'm telling you, it has a bunch of info in there. It really does, on knife brands and everything. So, but I want to thank Mr. Tony for this knife. This will be in the auction, guys, come up on April the 7th. Beautiful. We're gonna start it at $1. Hoorah. Well guys, I hope y'all enjoyed the video today. That right there, guys, is what I love to do. It was an old broken up knife. You seen what all that trash come out of that blade chamber, but about the best thing I could do on that blade, guys. How far back it was broke, but it looks good. It really does. This knife's got a bunch of life left. It sure does. Love it. And I love that bone. Mr. Wade calls that chocolate bone. Beautiful, ain't it? Pocket worn now. That's some true pocket worn. Again, this will be in the auction come April 7th, 7 p.m. Eastern time. But guys, that's about all the time I got today. But I just want to thank each and every one of y'all for tuning in today. And I want to say God bless y'all. Till we meet again, guys. It'll be like a good night. Stay sharp.
I got steel in my veins and blades on my mind. Out in the wild looking for what time left behind. From a pawn shop shelf to a flea market trade, I'm hungry old nights that lost their way. Then I my shoe ignite my sweet China day. I'm the night doctor, baby. I bring 'em back alive, saving the lives of old nights, helping us survive. With my crew by my side and my queen riding clean, we're fixing up the past like it's never been seen. Since I went in the lake night, my feet Chinatown day.